Y'all, I can't breathe. We just ran all the way up here thinking that the ferry was gonna leave us. And there's like a long... I'm dead. Day 3 and we're on a ferry. Yeah, we barely made it though, not even gonna lie. We parked the car at 9:59, the ferry left at 10:05. Barely made it. We were running, literally. But we're on our way to San Francisco and we're just gonna explore, do a little exploring. Later we're going to an art museum and then back to the beach. You would have been seen. You've been staring this whole time. Guys, we're in San Francisco. It's cute. Hey y'all. Oh, she's a model. But yeah, y'all, we had to walk we're not done. We just took a break. Walk from Pier 1 to 39. 30-minute walk.
I don't know what.
And I got these boots on. And I had this jacket on, but I had to take it off because it's kind of hot. But yeah, we're at Pier 23 now. And we just took a break. We'll break. Then we're gonna go finish shit. And see about some food because we hungry. Why you look like a mad little kid? Gosh, guys, we finally made it to Pier 39. Here it is. But yeah, we're really hungry. So. Okay, guys, we got hot dogs.
Say Polish sausage.
Polish hot dogs. That's what they're called. So we literally ate our hot dogs and it was good. Now we're just exploring and walking and exploring and walking.
Wait, give me this way.
She's so cool. Ice cream, and no, I didn't get vegan ice cream because the ones that they had, I've had those flavors before and they're not that good. So I just got coffee. Is that a sprinkle? It's a sprinkle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're gonna walk back to the ferry dock so that we can go back to Oakland. Guys, we're on our way back to Oakland on the ferry. It's been fun, San Fran. Guys, we finally got what's it called? Window seat. This ain't no window, but like we got to go near the water because last time it was so crowded we didn't get a chance to. been a minute, but basically we got home from San Francisco on the ferry, and then what did we do? Took pictures in the parking garage. I didn't record that, I forgot. And then we just came back here, got dressed to go to the beach, because we decided not to go to the art museum just because we're doing a lot and we weren't pressed about it. So yeah, we're just going to the beach now. To the beach, let's get away. Hey y'all, we got our food. We at the beach. We're finna eat because I'm hungry. Now I smell like a creep in the background. But yeah. Guys, we're leaving the beach. I had a great time today. I was all the way out there in the middle, living my best life. The sunset is so beautiful. But Jordyn's cold, so we're leaving. Oh my god, I'm recording.
You just started.
How do you still look like that?
Cause God, I'm just no, I'm not just playing, but I didn't mean to say it like that. All right, here I go trying to record my transition in the car again, because I don't know when else to vlog other than in the car.
You could have been vlogging the whole time I was sitting there. You could have just been talking about the trip, how it's been going, funny moments that we didn't catch on camera.
Guys, this trip has been so amazing.
Yeah! She's so annoying.
Oh my god. We're on my this is, what's it called, terrace, the back. No, that's up there. We're just down here.
Fire, and if y'all want to see it, go watch her vlog.
Yeah, I heard
she did
her.
Apartment tour.
Period.
I'll link it down below.
Thank you.
My girl living large. Large and in charge. Oh my gosh, guys, there's roller skaters.
That person is roller skating.
1 foot. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's so inspiring. Not even gonna lie. Hey guys. Can I talk this loud? Okay, I guess so. I am finna cook us some dinner. So we've just been chilling, uploading our pictures from today and talking to Jesse. But we're making salmon. It's in the bowl right. I don't know what the heck is on the shirt, but it's in the bowl right here. I'm thawing, and it's unthawed. So we're gonna get crack-a-lackin'. Okay, guys. We got our seasonings. Excuse me. And we're gonna make salmon. But I think I'm gonna put the broccoli on first and the rice because they take longer to cook than salmon. Salmon is pretty fast, so we're not gonna get it started. We don't want it to get cold. I just cut my finger. Hey guys, I finished cooking. Wife me up. No, I'm just kidding.
She's taking. Sorry, kids. I'm trying to walk out the camera and I was still in frame.
But yeah, this is what we're working with. Nice balance meal. Hey y'all, it's my last day and we woke up. I took a test because, you know, school, I guess, but now we're taking the scenic route to Starbucks. Then we're gonna come back and make brunch and take pictures and live it up for the last 8 hours.
Not even.
We got our Starbucks.
I don't think.
And now we're headed back to the apartment. Hey guys, so I got dressed, did my makeup and everything, and now I'm gonna cook breakfast, brunch. Hour and a half. We finally got up to the rooftop with our breakfast brunch. And we're here. Being extra. But what's new, you know? Kitchen. Okay. Yeah. Take pictures over here. This is cute. It's giving soft girl.
And we're gonna head downstairs, maybe get some palm tree flicks or just something else, because I think it's just too much sun up here. It's like literally direct sun, as you can see.
And my bangs are creating a shadow on my face.
Yeah, it is. So. Keep talking.
Yar. I just took Jordyn's pictures and they're fire.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna go take some bad orange.
Hers about to be better than bad. Right.
I took my pictures on this orange wall looking thing because, you know, I got the orange eyeshadow. Yeah, I can't. I'm some right in front of this, like in the middle of these two things.
I'll just try not to be in a reflection.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I just took some digitals. She took them, actually. I just posted. No, you don't. What are you talking about?
You'll see.
They over there skating. Living their best freaking lives. That's gonna be me and my kids. Hey y'all, so we are currently getting money from the bank and then going to get gas because she don't like getting gas by herself, so I'm going with her. And then I'm going to the airport and saying bye. Motorcyclist up on one wheel. That's gonna be me one day. Oh my gosh, guys, we're leaving. Bye. I love you. Hope I know where to go.
Text me, keep me updated.
Okay.